Rookie 1, 2, 3. Want to know who will be the next K-pop star? Every Sunday on Rookie 1, 2, 3, we'll introduce you to 3 or more rookies who wishes to be just that. We'll tell you all there is to know about these rookies, then play their songs for you so you can judge for yourself whether they have what it takes to be the next K-pop star. And joining me in the studio, we have Yeom Guitar.
Hello.
Hey, how are you today?
Great, how are you?
Okay, I guess.
Okay? Just okay?
Yeah, okay, I guess.
Good.
Feeling very, how should I put it? I cannot find the right descriptive word, adjective, but I think I'm going for like jolly. I think I'm feeling very jolly.
Great. It's so much better than feeling gloomy.
So true.
So true.
But actually, there is no reason for me to feel jolly because I'm actually really stressed out right now with everything that's happening in my life right now.
Oh, that's not good.
So like my skin's all going like haywire and everything. But I think maybe it's because I'm so stressed that I'm like now coming out of my body.
I don't know if that's a good thing or not.
You know what that feeling is, right?
You gotta really face that fact, Anything that's happening around you, you gotta face that, confront what's happening to you.
Okay. You totally understand what that is, right?
I know what
right?
you're saying.
The feeling.
Maybe you just wanna ignore things.
Oh, maybe.
And maybe your subconscious is trying to, avoid all the things happening around you and trying to feel jolly or whatever. Maybe the jolliness that you're feeling right now, it's not really jolly,
Excuse me.
Okay.
You sound like
Take
a
your
doctor.
Sound like a doctor?
That was funny.
Doctor.
That's funny. Yeah, Dr. Yam in the studio.
Whoa.
Anyway,
yeah, you're feeling good, so that's good.
At least I'm happy.
That's good.
Are you happy?
I don't know what happiness is. I don't know what it really means, but I'm not sad,
Oh, wow.
so that's good enough. You know what I mean?
Oh, that's
mean,
so sad.
my life-
That is
no,
like
no,
the
no,
worst
like-
thing ever. You don't know
like-
what happy is?
I mean, I don't know, define happiness. What's happiness?
Feeling good. Feeling good.
It's like, it's like what they say. No bad news means good news. You know what I mean? So I'm happy with my life right now, but I'm not like happy, I'm not jolly like you. But everything's going fine.
Okay.
So I feel great. I feel okay. But I'm not happy, like, woo, I'm happy. You know what I mean?
Like winning the lottery.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah, that's not happy.
Okay.
If you win a lottery in Korea, a lot of people in there, they come after you. To rip off your,
They chase you.
Yeah, to ease your money.
Oh, funny. Why are we talking about lottery? Let's talk about rookies.
Sure.
Right.
Rookie. Okay, this first group it's kind of an old rookie. Making their they made their debut 4 years ago.
Wow.
But they're still one of the youngest group.
Wow. How young are you talking
They're
about
like
right now?
17, 18, and the youngest like 15,
Wow.
16. Yeah,
Okay.
something like that. Born in 1996, and this kid born in 1998. So
Oh,
they're
wow.
young.
So basically, because they came out 4 years ago, what does that make them then? Like 10?
12 and 16,
Oh,
15,
wow.
something like that.
That's really young.
Do you remember? They're called GP Basic.
Oh, I know
Yeah,
them.
GP Basic. When they first came out, they were all 14 years old.
Oh,
And this
wow.
one member, Janie, she was even 12.
That's really young.
Very young.
That's really young.
And this kind of caused a controversy because of the age of the youngest member.
They were too young.
She was too young, so she was prohibited from performing on music shows, live TV shows. And it was new regulations
Right.
applied to her age,
Okay.
regarding her age.
Right. I can sort of see why. I mean, if people are too young who's performing on stage, And at the time, I think it was also, there was a lot of controversy about sexy outfits and things like that.
Yes, for underage.
Exactly.
Yeah,
So like
performers.
underage performers wearing sexy clothes, and basically the viewers were thinking, oh, this is a little bit too much.
Right. And back then, we had Boa.
Oh, right. We
like
did.
10 years ago.
Yeah.
Right, around 2000.
She was
But-
very young.
But she was 13 years old. So at least she was going to middle school.
Right. She wasn't in private school.
So she got picked up by Isuman, the head of SM Entertainment. And she was about 12, something like that.
Right.
11, 12.
But with Boa, though, she wasn't wearing like these sexy outfits. Or from the
Exactly.
start, she was a dancer.
Right. She had this like cute image.
Right. She was like the really energetic dancing girl. Right. And actually, GP Basic came to Arirang
Really?
this week, I believe.
This week?
Yeah.
Why wasn't I told?
Because it wasn't my program.
Oh, right. Okay.
Right. Right. Anyways, so they're still school students, according to age. So they're going to school still?
They're going to, I think they should go to school.
They should.
Yeah. They need to get schooling because, we have like the case of Michael Jackson, he always missed his childhood life.
Oh, so
Not
true.
going to school and just, working, all through his life. So I don't think it's really healthy. If you're a teenage kid,
Right.
you have to go to school and hang out with friends.
You need your childhood, basically.
Yes.
So how is their music? I do remember, though, when they came out, they were very talented.
But there were it was like I said, there was this controversy
Right.
around their age problem. They're too young.
Right.
But their music, like their new single, called, it's their 7th single actually.
Seventh single.
7th single already.
Wow.
Yeah, it's called 삐까번쩍.
Okay.
It basically means in Korea like bright and shiny. something
Right.
like that.
Bright, shiny.
And gorgeous, things like that. But in English, it's Pika Burn Jok.
They're using that as the name, English name?
English. Pika Burn, like burn, and Jok, like J-U-C-K, Jok.
Pika Burn Jug.
Yeah.
You know what? That
I don't
actually
know what that
sounds like
means.
something from like Pikachu.
Yes.
Pikachu.
Maybe that's what they aim for. Anyways.
Pika Burn Jug. Sorry.
You still want to keep doing that?
I'm jolly.
Okay,
I'm
you're jolly. Yeah, okay.
Right. Anyway.
And the music
Right.
is based on like South hip hop sound. And it's like a mix of 90s dirty South sound and trendy dubstep.
Okay.
And what's more, these girls are not going for this cute, sexy concept, but rather going for a really, really extreme boyish look.
Oh, I think I saw their stage performance actually. I thought they were boys at first because they had like the hats on and you couldn't see their faces.
And their uniform.
Right.
It's old look school uniform. Not for girls, but for guys.
Oh,
Just plain black. Remember those like camouflage uniform?
from the olden days. You're talking
Olden
about?
days of Korean, middle school or high school students used to wear.
Oh, okay.
Male, not male, boy uniform, boy school uniform.
Okay. Right.
They're wearing that on stage.
Oh, so that's that. Okay.
That's that.
What about the music video?
They wear that.
They wear the same thing.
They wear the same thing.
All right.
And that's exactly the opposite of what all other, girl groups are doing these days.
So true. All the girl groups are trying to actually reveal more of themselves.
Yes, they're going a little beyond,
Right.
what we can expect.
Exactly.
They're going for really the sensual image,
Right.
It's going over the sexiness.
Overly sexy.
Right.
But these girls instead, they're going on to like the totally different end of the spectrum. They're going for like the male look.
Yes.
Oh.
And I think they look great. It's totally refreshing.
I kind of like it too. So how's their response? Because when they first came out, I do remember, although these girls were very, very talented, you could see that these girls, although they were young, they wanted to be on stage. They
Right.
wanted to be performers.
Right.
But at the same time, the response from the audience was like, oh, they're just too young. It just looks weird to have performers that young, right? But this time around, they're a little bit older. So how's the response?
You know what? They just came out. So I haven't really had much chance. We wouldn't have enough time
Okay.
yet to check out all the response. But personally, I like it.
You like
It's
it?
totally, like I said, it's very refreshing, and I think they've made a right choice
All right.
because as an artist.
Yeah.
Or even let's say this is a whole like product that we buy and consume. And as a consumer, I would like to go for something different and new.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So
I like their video and I like their music too. I mean, they're going for this dubstep sound.
dubstep.
It's like original dubstep, but still,
Right.
I mean, girl groups don't do this.
Right, and rarely actually Koreans use dubstep all throughout. It's just like the middle dance break time.
yes, it's
That's
just a
when the
little taste
dubstep
of
comes
it.
out. Right. So are we gonna check out just one song, or are we gonna check another one out?
No, we're gonna listen to another one by GP Basic. It's a song called Edge Ta.
Ah.
Came out last year. It's their 6th single.
All right.
Nice mix of retro sound and also hip hop. I like this
Oh.
one better.
So
Personally.
they're always going for this hip hop sound.
Not always. They had some little cute things also, but like, I don't know. I like these hip hop sound. I think those sounds go along with this group really well.
Oh, okay. Okay, before we check out these two songs, what about your score?
I'll give them 8.
Oh, not bad.
Yeah, it's good. I mean, they're trying to be original. I wanna give points for that.
All right. Well, let's check out these two songs by GP Basic. The first one's called Pick Up on Dog, and the second one for you, Edge Ta by GP Basic.
GP in the building. 박수, 무투, Yanni, baby J. I'm double T. Recall light. 우리 pick up on dog. 모두들 날 베껴 You're my clone, my flow Flex of a metaphor 위로 trippy 급이 다른 깊이 Hot crack it, all let me sip it Brand new 머리부터 발끝까지 내 선택은 언제나 두 가지 Get rich or die trying Pick up on ya New coat, new shoes My crew, no lose Trippy in the building No trippy on this building We don't save a billion We save a trillion 내게 모든 시선이 멈춰 난 pick up on ya Pick up on ya Pick up on ya 어디가 나지는 나는 난 빛이 나니까 Pick up on ya Let's go 난 완벽해 난 완벽해 난 차가운해 어디가 나 빛이 난 완벽해 난 완벽해 난 차가운해 빛깔 번쩍 빛이 now 스마트폰을 쓰지만 난 여전히 2G We on fire 불이 붙이 내가 나타나는 순간 전부 다 얼음 난 나이는 어리지만 실력은 이미 어른 소도한 가루 내 숨쉬 겨를도 없이 빠져 이 모든 버릇 머리부터 발끝까지 I'm like coolering 2.5초면 돼 떨어지듯 미끄러져 막 flow 내게 하는 건 시끄러워 I'm on and on 그런 누외로워 비가 번쩍 내 새로워 누가 듣던 내 옆에 선수는 extra 같아 깔끔하게 한마디로 난 죽여 정시의 분위기를 살려 You know 삐까 번져 삐까 번져 어디가 나지는 나는 난 빛이 나니까 삐까 번져 Let's go 난 완벽해 난 완벽해 난 차가운해 어디가 나 빛이 난 완벽해 난 완벽해 난 차가운해 삐까 번져 빛이 now
Pika 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 bonjour.
Yo, let's go! 난 완벽해 난 완벽해 난 차가운해 어디가 나 빛이 난 완벽해 난 완벽해 난 차가운해 빛깔 번쩍 빛이 now
1, 2, 3.
You're listening to Sound K with me, DJ Shen and Arirang Radio. This is our Sunday Corner, Rookie 123 with Yum Guitar in our studio right now. We just checked out 2 songs by GP Basic, who's doing their promo activities right now too, right?
Yes.
And you can catch them on TV, radio, everywhere, basically. Right, and the next rookie for tonight is...
Next rookie is a male singer.
Okay.
And I haven't heard this kind of great voice for a long time.
All right.
Of this kind.
Okay.
This man's name is ballad, basically.
Ballad.
But not, he's not going for this R&B style.
Okay.
For Korean-ish style.
Oh, Koreanish ballad you're
Yes.
talking about. Okay.
This man's name is Jang Jin-ho. And he just released a debut single called 나란히, Side by Side.
All right. Is this his first single?
Well, it's his first single, but he's also a member of a male pop opera group called La Speranza,
La Speranza.
meaning hope in Italian.
Oh.
I don't know if I pronounced right, but Speranza.
So he's been part of this very different group, and now he's released his own solo album.
Right. And the reason why he's released his solo album was because, well, actually, he won this thing.
What thing?
TV audition.
Oh, okay. One of those
Called-
audition programs.
Yeah, it's called Hidden Singer.
Oh, I have heard of that. I've
Hidden
seen
singer.
that. Okay. That's where musicians, not musicians, ordinary, everyday people come out.
People, or singers.
Right. Or
People who could sing.
right. People who can sing well. They come out and they imitate the voice of a musician, a very popular Korean musician, right?
So it's every different musician for every episode.
right.
So for his episode was Shin Sung-moon.
Oh.
Yeah, known for his very clear tone of voice. Oh, one of the legendary singer-songwriters. The whole concept of this show is that, like you said, there are several contestants mimicking. So you
Right.
gotta. So whoever wins the first place, you have to sound exactly like the singer.
Right. So basically, the audience, what they do is they choose the contestant they think is the original singer.
Yes.
Who's amongst these ordinary, everyday people who can sing really well, right?
Behind the curtain.
Behind curtain, hidden.
Hidden.
Thus, hidden singer, right?
And most of the time, the audience can figure out who the real singer is. But this time, this episode,
Right.
this guy Jang Jin-ho was chosen
Oh.
as the final real singer, not Shin Sung-moon.
Right. So people thought he sounded more like Shin Sung-un
Yes.
than Shin Sung-un.
So you sound more than the real guy.
Right. Well, the thing with this, though, I've always been kind of thinking about this. Some people out there sing really well. Some people can really imitate and mimic people's voices really
Right,
well.
right.
But as a singer, it means you're lacking kind of your original style.
Could be true. Yes.
Right. So how is his voice in his own track?
In his own track, as in this debut single, he sounds great.
Oh, wow.
I really, really like his voice. I think he has a different tone than Shin Sung-moon, of course.
Okay.
And it's nothing like Shin Sung-moon's music.
Uh-huh.
And this one just shows that this guy, Jang Jin-ho, could really sing well, and he has his own style.
Oh, not bad. What kind of a song is this one?
It's an acoustic ballad. We have keyboard, drums, and guitar, bass, and a string quartet.
Right.
Another well-made pop music. I just love the balance of those instruments all together in the song. And the song itself is very melodic, and I think it's beautifully written and made. I really like the song.
Good.
And going with his nice voice. And this song is mastered at Jacob's Well Mastering Studio in United States, one of the best top quality
Wow.
studios. So we're really well made music.
I'm sort of sensing this is already like a really well-made, full-packed kind of a music, if you know what I mean. Like no spaces left over, basically.
No, but it's very enjoyable. Makes you feel jolly.
Oh,
No.
my kind of style.
Yes.
All right. Well, let's check out this song. It's the song by Jang Jin-ho, who pretty much, I guess, rose to fame because he was on that program, Hidden Singer, right?
True.
Right. So let's check out this song called 나란히, which is sort of like in a line, side by side.
Side by side.
Something like that. Right. So let's check out this lovely song by him right now. listening to Sound K with me, DJ Shan on Arirang Radio. This is our Sunday corner, Rookie 123 with Yeom Guitar in our studio. We just checked out this brand new song by this brand new guy called Jang Jin-ho. His song called Narani, Side by Side, or Next to Me in a Line. It means
line.
something like that, basically. Right. I mean, we heard the song already. You guys heard the song too. But yeah, I'm going to ask Yeom Guitar to give his score right now for the song.
What did you think? I would give him 8.
8? Wow. It definitely sounds, for me, I mean, the like the instrumentals and everything, it sounds very Korean traditional ballad style.
True.
I don't know, in that sense, I mean, it's a good song, but I don't know, maybe I was hoping for a little bit more of originality.
Oh, sure. Sure.
Right.
It's your opinion. I don't agree with that.
Everyone's
it's a great
entitled
song.
to their opinion.
Just kidding. Okay, the next
Right.
musician.
Uh-huh.
It's a female duo
Okay.
called Duo Flow.
Okay.
We have 2 members, Nabi, who's a main singer. Well, we have two members, so she's a singer.
Okay.
She made herself known from this audition program again, Voice of Korea Season 2.
Right.
And we have another rapper,
Uh-huh.
H. Hejin. She's from a girl group called Six Bomb.
Oh, right.
And they're out with the cover, a
Okay.
new single called 겨울소녀, which is a cover of this group. Came out in 1998, Oppa,
Oh.
OPPA.
OPPA, I do
OPPA.
remember
yes,
that.
Yes, long time ago.
Long time ago, there was this boy group called
Boy
OPPA.
group. Yes, along with like Shinhwa and
Right.
HOT, those area.
Unfortunately, OPPA wasn't like that successful, but
No.
still, they got known. They got well known.
And this song 겨울소녀,
Right.
Winter Girl,
Okay.
is their new cover, a new single and a cover. And interesting thing, featuring Yoo Se-yeon of UV.
Oh, a big name.
Big name,
Big name in there.
big comedian, entertainer,
Right, and a
Well,
musician.
and a musician, a rapper.
Right. And I think I sort of recognize their names as well. Nabi and, of course, Hejin. I do remember the girl group Six Bomb as well. I think, actually, Nabi, she released some songs by herself as well, but it didn't work out that well. And Six Bomb also released a single, I believe, and it didn't work that well either. So I'm sort of sensing right now, maybe they thought, okay, let's then do it together.
Sure, yeah.
Right.
Why not?
Exactly. And you know, Yoo Se-yeon, he's famous for being very, very funny.
Yes, he's really
Right.
funny.
So he's basically in this music as the featured artist.
Yes.
Is he making this one funny too?
Now he's going for the really serious, really professional rapper.
Oh, really?
concept.
Wow, that's new.
And for this song 겨울소녀,
Right.
the original composer of this song, 정유석, he did the whole arrangement. That's a very rare case, arranging your own song for a remake.
True. Right, so sort of this girl together, these two girls together as Duo Flow. Is this the first single they have released?
Now this is their second single.
Okay.
They have a debut single from last October, a few months ago. It was a song called 월급날, Payday, featuring Steve of Uptown.
Huh.
Uptown, yes, Uptown.
I think I know this guy. Maybe
Why
not.
not?
Maybe I
Uptown
do.
is like, they're one of the original hip hop groups.
Oh no,
Korea.
of course I do know Uptown,
And
but I
you
think
know
I've
him in
actually
person.
met him.
Ooh.
Anyways, right. I've heard so much about this group because actually my friends, they know this group members.
Oh,
and
right,
they like meet with
you
them
know a
all
lot
the
of
time.
people.
I do, don't I?
Yes. You're supposed to know a lot of people.
So
You
true.
meet a lot of people anyways.
I meet a lot of new people every day. Every day.
Great.
Because, you do radio show, every new musician comes out and
It's a nice thing.
It's a really great thing. It's actually a really, really great job if you want to get to know a lot of people in the business.
I have no doubt about it.
Right.
And for the people out there who don't really know about Uptown, Uptown is like one of the original
Right.
hip-hop rap groups.
Wasn't also Yoonmire
Yes,
T?
윤미래 T.
She was also sort of part of the group too,
Yeah,
right?
ever since the beginning
Right.
of the group. Okay.
She was very young at the time, which actually kind of is funny because she was pretty, I think she was pretty much as young as GP Basic at
She
the
was
time.
like 15, 16, something like that.
Exactly,
She was
very
really
young.
But she didn't sound young.
That's true.
She sounded really
very
mature.
good. Right.
She sounded really. I think she has one of the greatest female voice.
That's
ever.
so true.
I think she's a great rapper too.
It's hard to be a rapper and a singer at the same time.
Right, and I think she's really talented.
Exactly. So, your scores for this group?
I would give them 7.5.
Not bad.
Good
7.5.
Score. Good score.
What do you think they need extra to get that extra 2.5?
I'm not sure. I don't know. I think they can do a little bit better with their talents.
Okay. So we're going to check out 2 songs from this group, right?
Yes.
All right. Well, let's check out 겨울소녀 Winter Girl by GateFlowers. This is their brand new one featuring 유세윤 of UV. And then we have 월급날 Payday by GateFlowers featuring Steve of Uptown.
Yeah. It's your boy. I know it's been a minute. Huh. It's that payday. Come on. Yo, duo flow. Drop the verse. Let them know.
아무것도 가질 수가 없어 나의 월급 통장엔 어느새 890원 나오는 건 한숨밖에 없어 하고픈 건 많지만 주머니엔 많지만 내 월급은 통장만 그저 스쳐 지나가네 늘지 않는 월급 늘어가는 월세 얄미운 월급은 들어올 땐 2G 나갈 때 LT 빛보다 빠르지 지금부터 모아라 적금을 부어라 그래야 DB라도 사지 않겠냐 매달 빠져나갈 돈만 생각하면 내 머리엔 시간 한숨가 봐 가진 게 nothing nothing 내게는 nothing nothing 너무네 왜 그렇게 사냐고 넌 말해 No way, no way 내게는 no way, no way Ooh baby 하루하루 하루 사는 인생
Hey, it's my payday. Time to book a flight for a vacay. Forget what she say, like it's your birthday. We on that leeway. Yo, you eat gets high late. In Macau, getting well with chicks from Bombay. I'm self-made, paid, commodity trade. Get your money, boom, like a rocket, generating net profits. Yeah, Stevie Guns, you know my style. Girl, I'll do anything to see you smile. See you smile.
내 나이도 어느샌가 서른 눈물로 하루살이 서글픈 인생살이 타고난 건 하나 없는 인생 알 수 없다 하지만 주머니엔 넣지만 부장님 잘할게요 팀장님 죄송해요 치사하고 서러워도 오늘도 난 고개 숙여 야근은 필수 회식까지 풀코스 내 몸 10개라도 모자른데 이 짓거리 언제쯤 그만둘 수 있을까 마음은 희망찬데 현실은 시궁창 버티고 버텨 구슬 담으려 남은 건 고작 내 월급 890원 가진 게 nothing nothing 내게는 nothing nothing 너무네 왜 그렇게 사냐고 넌 말해 No way, no way 내게는 no way, no way Ooh baby 하루하루 하루 사는 인생 가진 게 없다고 포기하지마 너에게도 꿈이
멈춰보다가 그만 신호가 바뀐지도 몰랐던 거야. 혹시 너 그거 아니? 얼마나 눈부셨는지 새하얀 스웨터도 거울을 닮은 그 눈빛도 주름진 네가 어깨를 움츠릴 때면 난 너를 따뜻이 안아주고 싶었어.
내 마음 너는 알고 있니? 세상 어떤 말을 빌린다 해도 지금 널 향한 나의 사랑 모두 보이기엔 너무 모자란 거야. 많이 힘에 겹다면 너네서 다가오지 않아도 돼. 내가 더 사랑하면 될 테니까. 그래도 괜찮아. 소녀야 영원히 들어줄 수 있니? 언제라도 나를 떠나면 안 돼. 눈물 날 만큼 소중한 너기에 나의 가슴 깊이 담아두려 해. 너는 그냥 그렇게 내 곁에 있어주면 되는 거야. 네 모습 바라보는 것만으로 내게는 힘이 돼. 소녀야 영원히 사랑. 내가 이렇게 겨울을 사랑하게 돼버린 건 아마도 네 모습이 이 겨울을 닮아서일 거야. 소녀야 너만을 사랑해.
You're listening to Sound K with me, DJ Shannon Arirang Radio. This is our Rookie 123 corner with Yum Guitar in our studio. We have one more rookie tonight.
Another rookie is a quiet acoustic duo
Okay.
called 소소한 Project.
Oh, like small, simple project.
Small, simple project.
I like it.
It's an indie group.
Okay.
We have Park Leader, she's a vocalist, and a guitarist and a songwriter, Sunday.
Oh.
Then
Two
this is
members.
Two members. And they're out with their debut single called 이름 모를 꽃,
Oh, unknown flower.
Unknown Flower.
Okay. What kind of song is this one?
You know, this is a really quiet, acoustic, indie,
Oh,
modern
right.
pop song. I remember this kind of sound and music was really popular about 10 years ago.
Okay.
And there's a trend in Hongdae or indie music too. And sort of, I can sense that this kind of sound is kind of coming back.
Oh, it's coming
after
back, you
10
think?
years.
Right. So this team, where are they active? Are they active in the Hongdae area?
Hongdae area.
Okay.
From early last year, they started playing shows and in clubs
Okay.
such as Padabi or Evans Lounge, Didida, etc.
So they're very active doing live performances and also doing this kind of, now releasing albums, Hongdae style albums.
Right, right.
Okay. I think because they only have one song, we're going to check out only one song tonight, right?
That's all we have right now.
Oh, okay. Your score for this song?
I'm gonna give them 7.5. It's a
High
nice
score.
Start. Nice start.
I think 7.5 is becoming an average for you.
Yeah, I mean, I don't want to, you know, I can't give them like lower score. I don't know
Okay.
why. I have a very
Because you're scared their
generous
fans are
mind. No, I'm
gonna-
not scared. I'm not scared. I'm trying to be generous. And you know, all these new rookies, their sound and their talent, they're very talented.
Okay.
I cannot give them lower scores. It's just
They're good.
they're good. Yeah.
All right. Well, let's check out this song by 소소한 Project. The song called 이름 모를 꽃, Unknown Flower. And with that, we'll end Rookie 1, 2, 3 here tonight. So thank you, Guitar.
Thank you. See you next week.
See you next week.